Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are sharing cozy decor inspiration filled with vintage charm and timeless home ideas. Let's get started. Vintage style home decorating is a design style that brings the charm, elegance and warmth of past decades into a home. It mixes old-fashioned furniture, nostalgic accessories, soft colors and antique-inspired details to create a cozy and timeless atmosphere. It often includes items inspired by 1920s to 1980s, especially pieces that look aged, handcrafted, or collected over time, rather than brand new. Different types of vintage decor. There are many variations of vintage style. First, cottage vintage, rustic farmhouse vintage, Victorian vintage, retro 70s vintage. Also, grandma core and shabby chic. Each has its own personality, but all focus on comfort and nostalgia. People enjoy vintage decorating because it feels cozy and personal, makes a home look timeless, reuses old items creatively, adds character and history, creates a peaceful atmosphere. Vintage decorating is not about making a home look old. It is about making it feel warm, lived in, elegant, and full of memories. Next, vintage style home decorating tips. Mix old and new pieces. Don't make everything antique. Combine vintage furniture with modern comfort to keep the home practical and stylish. Example, use vintage wooden table with modern sofa. Use antique mirror with simple modern walls. Soft lighting creates a nostalgic vintage atmosphere. Try warm yellow bulbs, table lamps with fabric shades. Use candles or lantern style lights. Use fairy lights for cozy corners. Decorate with gifted or antique finds. Vintage style look best when items feel collected over time. Look for old picture frames, ceramic dishes, vintage clocks, wooden crates, old books, brass accessories. Even small antique items add character. Add floral and lace details. Vintage homes often feel soft and romantic. Use floral cushions, lace curtains, embroidered tablecloths, crochet blankets, and patterned wallpaper. These details instantly create a nostalgic mood. Choose distressed or natural wood furniture. Furniture with a slightly aged look works beautifully in vintage interiors. Try whitewashed wood, dark oak finish, rustic cabinets, or own wooden shelves. Small imperfections make vintage decor feel authentic. Create cozy layered texture. Layer different materials to make the space feel warm and lived in. Combine crochet, linen, cotton, wicker baskets, soft rugs, and velvet cushions. Layering is one of the secrets to a cozy vintage look. Display meaningful decor. Vintage style feels personal but perfect. Display family photos, handmade crafts, vintage collections, travel souvenirs, old postcard or artwork. This gives the home warmth and personality. Use soft muted colors. Avoid overly bright neon colors. Better vintage shades include cream, dusty pink, olive green, soft blue, beige, and terracotta. Muted colors help create a calm, timeless feeling. Decorate small corners. Vintage charms often comes from tiny details. Instead, a reading nook with a rocking chair, a tea corner with antique cups, a crochet basket beside a sofa, a vintage vanity table. Don't over-decorate. Leave some empty space so vintage items stand out beautifully. Too many decorations can make the room feel cluttered instead of cozy. Use vintage-inspired wall art. Decorate walls with artwork that feels timeless and nostalgic. Ideas: use botanical prints, old landscape paintings, vintage advertisements, black and white photos, and antique style clocks. Wooden or gold toned frames work especially well. Decorate with fresh or dried flowers. Flowers instantly soften a vintage room. Try dried lavender, baby spray, roses, wildflowers in clusters, eucalyptus branches. Use ceramic pitchers or antique vases instead of modern containers. Handmade decor gives vintage homes warmth and personality. Ideas: use crochet pillow covers, table runners, wall hangings, handmade lace towels, and knitted blankets. These details create a cozy, lived-in feeling. Use open shelving for display. Instead of hiding everything in cabinets, display beautiful vintage items openly. Display teacups, old books, ceramic bowls, glass bottles, and wicker baskets. This makes the home feel connected and charming. Choose classic patterns. Vintage interiors often use patterns carefully to add softness. Popular patterns: floral, gingham, tile, plate, tiny rose prints. Use them on curtains, bedding, cushion, or wallpaper. Add a statement with the speeches. All large vintage items can become the focal point of a room. Examples: antique wardrobe, vintage candlelight, rustic dining table, ornate mirror, and old piano. Use wicker and natural materials. Natural textures make vintage spaces feel warm and earthy. Try wicker baskets, rattan chairs, wooden trays, linen curtains, and cotton bedding. These materials blend beautifully with vintage decor. Create a cozy kitchen look. Vintage kitchen feel warm and welcoming. Ideas: open wooden shelves, mason jars, retro kettles, floral curtains, copper cookware, and vintage style sign. Small nostalgic details make a big difference. Layer rugs for a collected look. Instead of a large rug, layer a smaller vintage style rug for texture and depth. Good choices: Persian rugs, faded floral rugs, open rugs, and neutral textured rugs. Make it feel personal. The best vintage homes never feel like a showroom. Add vintage crafts, family heirlooms, old memories, DIY decor, and personal collections. Vintage style becomes beautiful when it tells a story. Use vintage trunks and suitcases as decor. Old trunks and suitcases add an instant nostalgic charm. You can use them as coffee tables, beside the bed for blanket storage, tucked in a corner for decoration. They make the room feel traveled and timeless. Add soft curtains with flowing fabrics. Heavy modern curtains can feel too sharp for vintage interiors. Better options: linen curtains, lace panels, floral tops, shade white curtains. Soft fabrics allow natural light to create a dreamy atmosphere. Decorate with old books. Vintage books instantly make a room feel cozy and intellectual. Ideas: stack books on tables, fill wooden shelves, tie old books with ribbon. Use neutral colored book covers. Old books works beautifully in hidden corners. Include vintage inspired mirrors. Mirrors of vintage rooms feel brighter and more elegant. Choose gold framed mirrors, oval mirrors, distressed wood frames, ornate antique styles. Use soft scented elements. Vintage homes often feel comforting because the atmosphere. Try scents like vanilla, lavender, sandalwood, rose, or cinnamon. Use candles, dried flowers, or diffusers to create a cozy mood. Create a vintage tea or coffee corner. A small tea station adds warmth and personality. include floral teacups, wooden trays, glass jars, vintage kettle, and lace runner. This creates a charming everyday ritual space. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel.